Today I'm working on the spring seat cushion, well not cushion, but seat spring, and whenever I'd get on this thing it would flatten out down to the bottom, so I can kind of see why, because this one here was had quite a bit missing from it, as you can see by this spring. And anyway, I decided to buy a new shock absorber too. And this wouldn't be a big thing, but I thought it was kind of unique how they actually made these bushings here with a, if you can see inside there, there's a shoulder inside that they ride on, and each one of these bushings goes on each side of this other bushing, inner bushing. And yeah, here, sorry, there's a part number if you want to know. R3700. So anyway, cat's got to be right in on things here. Already's been talking to me, so he'll jump over here, I imagine, and try and get in the picture. So, but anyway, I just thought this was kind of neat how they had actually put this together. And I'm not going to really show anything here. It just goes in between this hole here and this hole here. And like I said, a cat wants to get in on the whole deal, purring like crazy. It's nice out, it's a little windy. Sorry for the wind noise if there's any. But I thought that was kind of unique how they had put this one together.